In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can find the list of friends you've blocked on your Snapchat. So I think this is a feature in most of social media platforms. Definitely you're going to block someone. So I'm going to show you guys how you can access the list of people you've blocked on your Snapchat so far. So all you need to do is just hop on your Snapchat and then navigate to your profile. So on your profile, just tap on the settings here. Good. So here you just scroll down. Let's scroll all the way down. And you can see blocked users here, so let's tap on that. So on this page you are going to get access to the list of people we've blocked so far on our Snapchat. So you are seeing here, they are saying no blocked Snapchatters. So I've not blocked anybody on this Snapchat. So if I have blocked people here, I'm going to see a list of all of them here as blocked people on my Snapchat. So that's it for the video. That's it on how you can find the list of people you blocked on your Snapchat. Very much simple and easy. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And also, if you have any question, you can drop it down in the comment section. I'm going to help you solve that. That's it once again. Peace.